Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Can everybody expect sa movie na to? Gano'n kayo ka-excited for its release? Of course, it's our first movie. So, sobrang kami pinakabahan. And we hope you get to support our movie. Pwede naman kayo mag-intro. Yes, pero alam ko naman susupportahan kami ng advertisers sa mga pamilya na nandito ngayon. So, excited kami. It's gonna be our first movie and our third project together. And I just wanna say thank you to Paula for doing this third project with me. So, yun, we're very happy and excited dahil malapit na po ito. It's under Star Cinema and American Roderick Chat with natin.
Nasabi ko na ni Kim. Thank you.
Message sa mga K-pop supporters naman.
To everyone who supported and watched our shows, I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I know part of this success is because of you guys. From Biglang to What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, na napakaraming intrusion. So I want to thank everyone for your support, and I hope